You are going to get access this video relevant to how to run email marketing campaigns for any product, any client's products or services or the pages. So if you want to drive good sales, good traffic, good leads for your organization, for your product and for your service, and how to run that email marketing campaign, this works for 2019 and beyond. So now we will check this. These are the checklist which contain the few tools for marketing, for do email marketing, like constant contact. This is the first tool which helps you to find do email marketing. Send in Blue. This is another marketing tool which do very well for running email marketing campaigns. And Get Response, Email Champ, ConvertKit, Drip, Aweber, Keep, MailerTile, Light, Active Campaigns. These are the few checklist of email marketing tools which helps you out for doing email marketing well and drive better results for your organization, for the services. Which works for me, try this, it will work for you. And finally, we will check what are the basic requirements to run an email marketing campaign. First thing you should keep in mind, you have to take a info from your client. What is his goal? Either he is looking for leads, either he is looking for the traffic, or he is looking for sales or conversions. And what thing is, either you want to make sure the brand awareness. This basic requirement you have to get it from the client. And checklist, then prepare the complete checklist and gather all the email resources and make it into a doc or the word, a spreadsheet, the complete email checklist. So then choose the types of campaign, like what kind of campaign we are looking for, and like brand awareness or sales or the leads, and what kind of campaign we are making. And finally, create your first campaign using the tools what I suggested. And finally, measure your result. It's measuring the results, it makes you to find where we are getting leads and where we are lagging. And finally, results and monitor the return on investment on your product. Before doing all this activity, as soon as you schedule the campaign, you have to test whether our campaign is doing well or not for using the test mails. So, and later create the campaign and do the test campaign and measuring your results, and finally monitor whether after the campaign went live whether we are getting return on investment, like profit minus cost by total cost. So this is how the email marketing tools has been involved, and what are the requirements required for doing email marketing, and finally how to do email marketing, and it works for 2019 and beyond. Thank you.